So you were now in your actual pediatric treatment area, is that right?
Mm-hmm. This is the area where we do our recall exams and the cleanings and the fluoride application. Now, this patient, we are teaching her how to brush properly and floss. The children get to listen to our cassettes on the Walkman. Listen
Fantastic
to stories.
idea.
Yeah. And we have games that they can play if they're waiting for us to get to them.
Are these tables slightly smaller than average? They look a little different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, these are pediatric dental chairs. They are smaller, so everything's geared towards kids here.
Fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
So about how old is this child?
How old are you, Louisa? 6.5.
Oh, she's doing great.
Yeah, good job.
Looks like a pro.
We try to teach them to do it correctly.
Are you having a good time? Good. Okay. Let's go down to the next patient now.
Okay. We're getting a fluoride treatment, and we actually have different flavors, and the kids get to choose which flavor, so that makes it a little bit more fun and enjoyable. And that takes about 4 minutes.
It just starts applying the actual medication directly to the teeth, is that what?
Right, we have little trays that fit over the teeth, and we put a little bit of fluoride on each tray, so it just bathes the teeth for about 4 minutes.
Next patient is over here.
And here we're doing a cleaning. And again, we offer them different flavors of toothpaste, so it makes it a little bit more fun. And we have sunglasses because sometimes the lights are a little bit bright.
I was going to ask you about that. Is that part of the treatment?
Sure.
They don't get to take them home, though?
No.
Oh, okay.
But they do get prizes when they leave.
I'm sure they enjoy that, too.
Mm-hmm.
This whole room is great, designed for kids. You've got animals up on the wall. You have birds and fish flying through the air. And it's just all fantastic. I love the entire setup. It looks like the kids are having a pretty good time, too.
Well, we hope so.
It wasn't quite like that when I was 7 years old going to the dentist, I have to tell you.
Me neither.
Well, Dr. Vota, thank you very much for letting the Medical Explorer come to your fantastic state-of-the-art office. I know our viewers got a lot out of this. I know I certainly did. And maybe we can come back again someday and see some other new things in pediatric dentistry.
Great.
Thank you. Pleasure. I'd like to thank Dr. Iverson, Dr. Vota, and their patients and staff for allowing the Medical Explorer to visit their fascinating office. We're extremely grateful for their gracious invitation. If you have questions about their Yuba City office and services, please feel free to give them a call. Well, that's our program for tonight. I'd like to invite you to write to me at my dermatology and allergy office in Yuba City with your suggestions for areas and people that you'd like to see on this program. I'm always interested in hearing from you, and I hope that you'll suggest to your medical doctor or other healthcare professional that you'd like to see them here with me on the Medical Explorer. As you know, we are a public service program, and I really do want to hear from you with your comments and suggestions. Please write to me here at the Skin and Allergy Medical Group of Yuba City at 350 Del Norte Avenue, Yuba City, 95991. In my next program, the Medical Explorer will take you behind the scenes of more interesting frontiers of medical care practices in the Yuba City, Marysville, and Stockton areas. For all of us here at Continental Cablevision, I'm Dr. Robert Peppercorn, your Medical Explorer. Thank you for joining us tonight, and have a great evening.